So now we're going to start diving into the hips. So moving up from the quads and the hamstrings and now into the muscles around the hips. A lot of these muscles are dedicated to just stabilizing the lower body on the pelvis, keeping your legs running straight forward back, as well as being large engines of movement. They're shorter muscles, but very thick muscles, and they're used all the time when you're upright. But unfortunately, when we stand, these muscles tend to get very tight and very hypoxic, meaning that they don't get a lot of oxygen. And so we can develop a lot of fibrosis or scar tissue within the muscle, which takes it from being a nice, soft, supple muscle to one that can get very hard and can get very painful. For a lot of us, we have tightness around our hips, so the Shinbox is a great place to do soft tissue work like this and get into these muscles while we're stretching them. And that's why we like the Shinbox. It gives us a chance to lengthen and shorten muscles and do things specifically to help those muscles in those positions. Especially pay attention to right around your hip, the hard point of the hip, the trochanter, where the TFL, the muscle that controls the IT band, and the glute med and min and max all start to come together to help control that IT band and give a lot of people difficulty and tightness down the lateral side of their leg and into their knee. Take your time doing these drills. They'll really pay off.